Hello and welcome to the Syafire Star Gems. Today I'm going to show you 3 tools that are going to help you make and execute the best YouTube videos possible. How do we get our videos to get views, to grow, and set them up for their best chance at success? I'll be giving you 3 tools today, and also stick around till the end for a bonus and 4th tool and tip that I will share with you today. This tool is going to be amazing for helping you come up with video ideas and will help you figure out what you should be putting on your channel. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Syafire, and I've been streaming on Twitch for over 5 years now. And I started on YouTube last year, and I've seen massive growth and success on both my Twitch channel and my YouTube channel, and my Twitch has grown tremendously because of my YouTube channel. And I've also been a content coach for about a year now, helping coach one-on-one sessions with you to figure out how to grow your channel, how to grow your audience, and continue to build a really amazing community. Throughout my journey, I've learned about several tools that have been incremental, the pivoting point of growing my YouTube channel and helping me become a successful content creator. I went from 0 to 15,000 subscribers on YouTube in 1 year just because of all the knowledge I had. And at the time on Twitch, I only had about maybe 20 average viewers, and now I've shot up to about 50 average viewers and growing because of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you and share with you those 3 tools today to help you also bring that to your channel so you can see similar growth and experience success as I have for yourself and for your own brand. Let's get started. Here we go. Tool number 1 is VidIQ. I love this tool so much. You can get a free version and try it out for a while. I personally pay $10 a month. I will leave a link down below if you're interested in getting started using VidIQ. But VidIQ is fantastic. I'm going to show you how to use this tool and how I've used it to help grow my YouTube channel. So it's no weird hacky, slacky, like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. It's no weird thing that just like makes your channel like, oh, pay for view. It's not like that. It's a completely different tool that utilizes a concept in marketing called SEO. And if you've never heard of SEO before, that's called search engine optimization. So what search engine optimization is making it so that your video or your content appears as one of the first few things or on the very first page of a question or something somebody types into either YouTube or Google. So we try to optimize our content so that it will be one of the first few things somebody can click. And the reason this is so powerful is because when you are able to do that, that means your content's always being found without you having to actively do a whole lot. If your content's on the first page every time somebody's Googling something, that means I could be making lunch or I could be like sleeping and people are still finding my content, which is called discoverable content. And the reason why a lot of people don't grow on Twitch is because they just get comfortable staying there. And that's where I was for a really long time until I understood and realized the importance of YouTube and discoverable content. So how do we use VidIQ to help create search engine optimized videos to get our videos ranking and the top 5 videos so that your video can be found, which can help you generate views over a long period of time? How we do that is we can search for keywords and things that we're interested in creating video content on. So choose a subject that you like. You can do this along with me. I would encourage you to bring VidIQ up with you right now. And we'll just say, because my channel niche really heavily focuses on VTubing, we'll just put in VTuber or VTubing. That works. And then we can click search and enter. And now this will show us overall, how popular is this topic in general right now. The search volume is huge. Over 3 million views. I believe this is over the last about month. It gives you the month's worth of data. So it is always relevant as well. So we have keywords here, and something we want to be looking at when utilizing VidIQ is the search volume. How many people are actually interested in this subject? Because if you have a subject that not a lot of people are really interested in, then you're not going to get a lot of views. So let's do like underwater basket weaving, and let's see what the search results are here. Oh wow, there's not a lot. 3,000? There's like, so if your niche is gonna be like underwater basket weaving, you might wanna rethink about your channel topics if there's not enough people searching. So that's something that's really important for you to be paying attention to. So search volume is the number one first thing to look at here. So let's view all 270 keywords. So we can see keywords up here, and something we wanna be looking for is something that has very high search volume and it has low competition. So this means how many videos are actually being produced. Competition is how many videos are being produced on that topic. So this channel's really got its kickstart on me making how to be a VTuber video. That's how this whole channel started, and that's how my YouTube channel really got its first leg up and its first push. So how to be a VTuber, as you can see right here, 55,000 views, not a lot of videos out for it. That is why that video did so successful for me, and that's how I got my channel to kickstart. And once I found this out, I was like, whoa, how did that happen? How did that video get seen? And that's when I learned about search engine optimization and started learning about tools like vidIQ to help make this occur more often to keep getting my videos ranked. So you could check that out. I want you to search a keyword, something you're interested in making videos on, and see if there is your ideal situation is high search volume, low competition, and that's a video idea or something you might want to tackle and start working on your channel. Great. So that's a really great start. There's a lot more tools and things you can do with vidIQ. If you're interested in learning more about vidIQ, please let me know in the comments because I would love to dive even more and deeper into this tool. But let's hop into the second thing that helped me grow my YouTube channel. The next tool is Keywords Everywhere. So this is pretty similar to vidIQ in some ways. You do have to have Chrome or Firefox to be able to use this tool. But once you install it and download it, you get all these extra extensions on YouTube, Google, Instagram, any social media. So we're just going to use Google as an example. And I just looked up VTubers to see what comes up first. And we can see that we have Keywords Everywhere extension right here with the data. So as we know, VTubing became really popular around 2020 is really when it hit this spike. And you can see that in the data. So this is really interesting to know because one of the strategies you can use to grow on YouTube is search engine optimization is one of the first ones that we talked about with number 1. And number 2 is going to be tagging along with things that are trending. So for example, like Squid Game was very, very popular a while back. And as you saw, Mr. Beast made one of his most popular videos on Squid Game because it was something trending. So he used the power of trending. Plus he already has a very strong understanding of the algorithm. And that's how that video did so well for him. So now you want to look into trending data for topics you're interested in talking about and seeing how relevant it is and how you can tie that to a video idea to put out on your YouTube channel. If you scroll down too, it gives you more keywords and to see what people are looking for. The reason why this is so important is because you need to know who your audience is and who you're creating content for. So if you're interested in making VTubing content, what are VTubers commonly looking up? VTuber app. Okay, that gave me ideas like, oh, I can make videos talking about specific VTuber apps because that's something people are struggling with or confused with, and I can help give that information on my YouTube channel. VTuber software, there's another one. Here's a question like, how much do VTubers make? How do VTubers work? Those are video ideas and all things that we could potentially make content on. So Keywords Everywhere is another really great one and that you can figure out what people are searching and what they're interested in. It's very important to know about user behavior when creating content for an audience. If you don't do that and you just try to go off and make your own thing, it's not going to work because the market will tell you no. You have to be in touch with what your audience wants as well as with what your skills are and what you want to offer and provide as content that will be valuable for many people, or I should actually say valuable for the right people. Next, let's hop into tip number 3. The next website we have is called Answer the Public. So this is another one that's great for search engine optimization, knowing what kinds of videos you should be making. So we'll look up digital art just to mix it up a bit here because that's another topic I like to cover on my channel. You type it in, you only get 3 searches a day, so keep that in mind unless you go for the paid one. 3 searches a day is plenty. You can save it, screenshot the information you find, etc. So you get a huge wheel of questions and things people have been asking, which will help you rank with search engine optimization because 80% of people that use YouTube and Google use it to find an answer to a question. So if 80% of your base is searching for those things, but you're creating content that's not serving that, do you see how that can lead to a lack of views or a lack of people coming to watch and see your content? Right. So we're going to look at, after we type that into Answer the Public, the more green it is, that means the more it's been searched. The less green means the less it's been searched. So these are great topics we can make videos on. Can digital art be fine art? How is digital art made? What digital art sells best? Are digital art and graphic design the same thing? Which digital art software is the best? All fantastic video ideas and things that we can make. Phenomenal tool. I love Answer the Public as well. You have so many options here for exact video ideas that you could tackle on your channel. Again, you can use any topic, type in anything you're interested in making videos on here, and you'll find some answers. And now we're getting into our bonus tip. Tip number 4. Thank you so much for watching this much through. I'm really excited to have you here. Hopefully you've been learning a lot. Now let's learn about our 4th tip, which is going to be to use an app/website called SocialBook, which is really cool. This video is sponsored by SocialBook, and they have a lot of really great tools that can help you. And one of those tools are a lot of what we've been talking about today, search engine optimization or SEO. So what you can do and use SocialBook is you can go down to growth tools. There are many different things you can experiment with here and have fun with that you might find to your liking. What we're going to talk about today is the tag research section. So very similar to Answer the Public, to vidIQ, to Keywords Everywhere. Search tags. So tags are really important in social media, as you know, for your content to be findable, to be easily reachable to your audience. So we'll search up VTuber, for example, and this is a really great tool because we can type in our keyword, we can figure out how difficult is it to be able to rank in the top 10, which ties along with how do we get our video on the first 5 sections or within the first page of any platform that we're looking up. So this can help, the keyword difficulty can help us there. And we have keywords down here as well that's showing us clicks. Clicks are extremely important because how many people are actually interested in this topic? And we also can search by volume in YouTube. This is all for YouTube specifically on what section is looking for it. So we can go to different areas of the country and it also shows us the global search volume where it's most popular. And as we know, VTubing originated in Japan, so we can see that SocialBook here is showing us that 141K people, 92% of the audience is actually coming from Japan for VTubing. And knowing about the geography is also really helpful to knowing what kinds of videos that we should be able to make. So this is a really great one where we can look up any of these sections. We'll even try digital art and let's see what we have. 13,000, keyword difficulty is 64. We see that it's most popular in the United States, which is great because again, if you're studying your YouTube analytics and you see, oh, a lot of my audience is from the US, like, is this something you're interested in? All that stuff sort of ties together. So you have digital art for beginners. Here's the volume, the clicks. This is a lot more solid data for us to be able to look at and see what people are interested in. So definitely go to SocialBooks and check out this tool and go ahead and look and see what can be useful to help grow your YouTube channel. And I'll be leaving a link down below for you to check out SocialBook as well. Now you have 4 tools to help grow your YouTube channel and get your Twitch viewership up, get your YouTube viewership up, and grow your business. Just to go over it once more, we had vidIQ for you to check out for search engine optimization. We have keywords everywhere to hop onto trending data and also learn more about SEO. And then we also have Answer the Public to figure out what kinds of video ideas you should be pursuing. And then lastly, we have SocialBook, which is another great place that combines all that knowledge together where you can tackle what kinds of videos to be making and gathering accurate information on what videos should be made and how many people are actually interested in that subject and if it matters to even make a video on that. If you're interested in learning more about this stuff, if you're like, yo, let's go, I'm growing, I'm learning, the next video I recommend that you check out is my video on 5 strategies to help you grow on YouTube. It's a really good one that'll help you continue to boost your knowledge on how to grow on these platforms. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time on the Sapphire Star. Bye!